Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on edit contact in the right lower corner and tap on the camera icon in the middle. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. And as you can see, it will be transferred to the device folders, and you can find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And tap on OK. And here from this step you can change the position of the photo. You can change also the size of this highlighted square. You can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. You can rotate the picture if you want to, it's really up to you, just customize it, and then tap on save copy. As you can see, it will appear right here, let's say behind this camera icon. So remember to tap on save because it's important. And as you can see, the contact has been saved. Here we've got it with our photo. You will be able to see it, for example, on the contact list or whilst all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.